numerous unforced errors and several block points from LaSalle, giving FEU some difficulty here in their Final Four matchup against the Green Archers.
That's right. You have to remember, FEU is on top this season, #1 team, and DLSU just sneaking in 4th place. But it doesn't look that way, at least in this game, as Antonio delivers another one for the Archers.
Gabriel could not handle that down-the-line hit. LaSalle up by 4. They are trying to pull away. Not an easy thing to do against FEU.
Great dig there by FEU. Another one. And now both teams trying to play the mind game.
Avila taunting De La
That's
Vega.
enough. LaSalle asking for it's not supposed to be a 4-touch violation, but no go.
Kirk Beliran to serve for FEU.
The only graduating player, Kirk Beliran for FEU, digs it up here.
Oh, another back row hit.
Still playable for LaSalle. Casanova sends this free ball over to FEU. Avila.
Oh, tried to go down the line. Just not enough space for that ball to come in. That was such a risky down the line hit. You will see in the slow-mo action. Sarado na eh, oh. Sarado na dun sa blockers ng De La Salle. And yet he tried to go for that. It went wide.
Avila seems to love those risky angles.
Joseph Santos serving for De La Salle.
Oh, Tongpin blocks once again that tandem of Antonio and Cerveza.
And LaSalle with a 5-point advantage.
You know, Cerveza has really been the key factor for De La Salle. Offense and defense, but more on defense.
He was really a key factor, especially in that 3rd set. Really waking up his squad with his intensity.
Milo tried to go for a push on that overset second ball, and DLSU gets that point as it went wide.
FEU 6, De La Salle.
Trabaho natin, ipapasa natin sa kasama natin. Di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, communication lang. Ito lang ang problema natin, no boys, oh. Yun doon tayo ng talong ng kalaban. Nag-uusap sila. Tayo, body language lang, binabasa lang natin kung anong galaw ng kasama natin. Magsalita kayo para alam nyo kung anong gagawin ninyo. Ito yan. Puro unforced error lang natin yan.
Well, Coach George knows that this situation is critical for them.
This is a must-win set for them before even looking at the finals. I think you have to get over this DLSU squad, and they are down by a set here in this game, and down 6 points in this 4th set.
They need to communicate more.
Great take by Casanova.
And LaSalle increasing their lead.
And what a smart attack coming from De La Vega. Blockers already there. This has been the situation for De La Vega, and has come out of it several times in this game. Palaging ganyan. Pag nakita niya na yung dalawang blockers, he would go for a check ball.
LaSalle with a 7-point lead. And look at them try to work for that ball, but they won't get it.
Well, Santos took it while he was running. Not the best way to get a reception or a dig.
Petrus Del Campo. He can't believe that LaSalle is up by 6 right now.
That would be, I think, the 8th error on the serve by FEU, or even more.
Very unlikely for De Ocampo to commit the service error. He is the reigning best server in the UAAP. Had 36 service aces last year.
Combination play for FEU, but LaSalle still managed to save it. Oh,
Tongkin!
again, single block. Aaron Calderon.
And Calderon has provided some quality
Yes.
minutes off the bench, really.
That's right.
15. Serving
And what about Cerveza?
Philip Cerveza has been doing it all over the court for Coach Sammy Akailar.
Running hits, middle hits,
Name it.
blocks. Cerveza has done it all today. Roland Tongkin to the
Oh,
back.
Sort of baby and then hit,
Oh.
and it goes long.
FEU is in uncharted territory.